This is a 2006 Toyota Tundra steering wheel, and I don't have to tell you what's wrong with this. It is just completely worn out, and the actual molded rubber has come loose to the point that he had to tape it in place. So this was not originally leather covered. This was just a molded rubber steering wheel. So what we're going to do on this one is we're going to repair that top section and then cover over the whole thing with leather. And a couple of things about repairs to the rubber like this: we can actually remold that section. The customer didn't want to pay that much because that usually is a few $100s to build a mold and remold it. But we're going to repair it so it's very close to perfect, and then put the new leather over it, which will make it look amazing when we're finished with it. So let's put it through our transformation and see how it looks when we're finished. Look at that 2006 Toyota Tundra steering wheel. Just looks gorgeous, all finished out with a high grain leather. As you can see there, customer wanted a heavier grain on it, and the pattern is back to factory new. Had to do some repairs on the foam across the top on this one. Got that nice hand stitch baseball stitch on it. So another satisfied customer here at Craft Customs. Again, we shoot these videos because we do every make and model of vehicle in the world and want you to be able to see some of your options. So you're going to love what you get at Craft Customs. We guarantee it. craftcustoms.com.